Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. This video will be a little bit different than the last two as it will focus more on organizing rather than cleaning. I first want to start by saying thank you so much for the 100 views on my deep clean bathroom video. I will link it above so you can check it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below for more videos if you'd like to see more like this.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
The most important thing to me for organizing is to have a place for everything. I put labels on all these totes that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1. They have an assortment of different colors and sizes. I use the larger totes for the chips and the bread because that's what I had the most of. Next, I'm going to start with the cans. The rack they are sitting on is from Walmart. I didn't alphabetize them this time, but I've heard of a lot of people doing that. Do you alphabetize your cans? I just tried to group them together by similarity. I'm thinking about buying some canisters to put my cereal in, but for now they'll do over to the side. Also, I wanted to mention this can opener in my pantry. It's an under-counter can opener, but my husband thought it would be awesome to be in the pantry, which makes sense because it's by the cans. He had to put in a plug for it, but I like it so much better there because it's not cluttering. Even though it's underneath the cabinet, it still looks better in the pantry and it's by the cans. I picked up these canisters from Tupperware. I usually put elbow noodles, is usually what I carry in one. And then I have powdered sugar in one, I have brown sugar in one, and that powdered sugar you're seeing there in the extra bag, that was just extra that wouldn't fit into the container. After organizing the pantry, I went to put the drinks in the fridge. We keep an extra refrigerator, just a small one like for a college dorm. We keep it in the garage to keep all of our water and pop in. That way it's not in our refrigerator in the house because that seems to be so full we never have enough room for pop. How do you guys store your pop? Do you have an extra fridge somewhere or do you make room in the fridge?
We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are.
Once again, thanks for watching another video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay tuned for more videos. And for a few big announcements we have coming soon.
We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones, we can break this silence. We can break this silence. We can
Hey, Mom. How many likes for you to eat this macaroni noodle right here?
Babe.
It won't focus on it. It's a macaroni noodle. How many likes for you to eat it?
Look, are you gonna video this?
I am, but like, how many likes for you to eat this?
None.
Like, if we get a certain amount of likes, like you got to, but like that's just like you just have to. Like this right here. Swallow it. You didn't have to swallow that.
I want that.
Come on.
Oh, your car's too close.
You just gotta get. You can get through there. You just think like you're skinny. Think skinny.
You're not gonna be able to see. I can't even get the door open. You're gonna have to back the car up.